Your pelvic organs are held in place by muscles and tissues in your pelvis. If these muscles and tissues weaken or tear, your pelvic organs may prolapse or drop down into your vagina. If your bladder and urethra prolapse into your front vaginal wall, you have a cystourethrosil. Your doctor may recommend an interior colporrhaphy, during which the surgeon will make an incision into your vagina, push the organs back into place, and suture the tissue to help keep the bladder in place. If your rectum bulges into the back vaginal wall, you have a rectosil. You may need posterior colporrhaphy, during which your surgeon will make an incision in your vagina, push the rectum upward, and suture the tissue to support the area. Vaginal wall suspension repairs the prolapse of the pelvic lining and the small intestine into the upper vaginal lining, called an enterosil. Through a vaginal incision, your surgeon will push the small intestine back into position and attach the top of the vagina to strong pelvic ligaments. If you have a prolapsed uterus, your surgeon can repair it using laparoscopic instruments. Your surgeon will insert a lighted camera into your lower abdomen to view your pelvic organs on a video screen. Using special tools, your surgeon will lift and support your uterus by suspending it from ligaments at the base of your spine.